In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for beginners. We'll offer tips to get you comfortable and confident using this versatile app. If you're new to Notion, start by opening the application. Simply navigate to your browser or open the app directly if you've downloaded it onto your device. Once it's open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Don't worry about achieving full mastery right away. Our aim here is to make sure you're at ease. Let's begin our journey with a fundamental task, creating a new page. This is your blank canvas, ready for whatever content you wish to add, be it notes, project plans, or a simple to-do list. Notion is highly customizable, which can seem a bit overwhelming initially. However, to ease your way into it, consider using the built-in templates. These templates allow you to bypass some of the setup, giving you a ready-made structure that saves you time. On the left sidebar of Notion, you'll find a section labeled Templates. Clicking on this will reveal an array of options suitable for a variety of uses. Are you organizing your home life? Try exploring the personal templates. Looking to manage tasks effectively? Task management templates are designed just for that. If you're a student, peruse the student templates, which are tailored to educational needs. These templates offer a head start, helping to streamline both personal and professional workflows. Once you've selected a template, it's time to build your first page. Think of it as assembling your very own digital workspace. Fill this space with relevant information, tasks, or notes that you need. Don't be afraid to experiment a bit here. As you insert and organize your content, focus on making the page look appealing. A visually pleasing setup can greatly enhance your productivity and focus. Add images, adjust fonts, or play with colors, whatever makes it more engaging for you. Remember, Notion is a tool designed to grow and change with you, so there's no need to perfect it right off the bat. Explore its features, experiment with different layouts, and over time, you'll develop a system that works best for you. As you navigate through this learning phase, keep in mind that the journey of using a new tool is just as important as the end result. So allow yourself the freedom to try things out without the pressure of getting everything right immediately. With each step, you'll find yourself understanding better how Notion can serve you. It's about building and refining over time. That's the beauty of this dynamic and flexible application. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. I hope you feel more prepared to dive into using Notion. Happy exploring, and I look forward to seeing what you create.